Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 977 square of sorted array. This is very good and beginner friendly array problem and we will solve it using a two-pointer approach. So let's get started. The problem statement, we are getting an integer array called a number. The array is already sorted in non-array decreasing order. Our task is to square the equal array, square the element of the array and return the squared value in the sorted order. Let's understand the problem statement with the example. Suppose here the example has given number is equals to -4, -1, 0, 3 and 10. Now if we square every element, -4 becomes 16, -1 becomes 1, 0 becomes 0 as it is, 3 becomes 9 and 10 becomes 100. So we get 16, 1, 0, 9 and 100. But the array is not sorted. We required a number is 0, 1, 9, 16 and 100. The important observation. Now the important observation is the largest square can come from the either the beginning of the array or the end of the array. So because the array can contain negative numbers. So for example, -5 is smaller than 3. After squaring it, the -5 is a square, -4 is a square of 16 and the 3 is a square of 9. So we need to compare and the absolute value from the both end of the array. So we use two pointer. So let's start with the code. So this is the basic code for this solution. So first we create int is equals to n. This store the size of an array. Then we make the another vector that says int which store n. This create answer of an array in the same size. Next we create two pointer. Left equals to 0 and right equals to 0. For left is equals to 0, that means the pointer start from the left from the first element, and the right is equals to n minus 1. It means the right pointer start from the last element. Now we start a loop from a last point position of the answer array. We start from the end becomes because we find the large square first. Inside the loop we compare f's number left with f's number of right. If the absolute value on the left is greater, we square the left element, store it at a current position and move the left pointer forward. Otherwise we square the first element, store it at the current position and move the right pointer for backward. Final, after filling the complete array, we return answer. So let's talk about the time complexity and place complexity. The time complexity is O into n and the place complexity is also O into n. The time complexity is O into n because we travel the array once, and the place complexity is O into 1, O is O into n because we created a new array answer. So that was the solution for LeetCode problem number 977 square of a sorted array. Thank you.